Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you'll be fine. And this is another video. This is for class number 10 for Friday. Okay, actually I'm going to say instructions because it's just her book and it's kind of review about everything that we have been done this week. And we are going to start with the page 52 as I wrote it in your plan. Yes, it's 52. This is page. It's Herbert book, but it's related with reading. What you have to do here, guys, is to write facts about the article you read. Remember that a fact is something real information. And you have to write here the interesting fact and the reason why it's interesting for you. Okay? For example, I wrote here an example and I wrote about, it says, an interesting fact about modified food, in this case I want to include this, modified food, is that Prakash, who's Prakash? Well, Prakash, who is an agricultural scientist, said that 800 million people are malnourished. Okay? This is an interesting fact that I found in the reading. But you have to write 2 more facts. Okay? You can take them from your rich, from this reading. And we have a lot of information here. Okay? Then, if you turn the page, over the page, turn 53. That's this one. Here we have the options we have in order to complete our sentence. And you have examples. For example, you have what is an indefinite pronoun, what is a demonstrative pronoun, a reflexive pronoun, an intensive pronoun. And I'll help you with the first one. It says, you have number 1, you have the space where you have to write the word, and then it says, must be done about world hunger. And then I have options like nobody, everyone, something, and many. The correct option is something. Why? Because I need an indefinite pronoun, because I'm not being specific about what it has to be done. So if I write here something, I'm not being specific. I'm just, because I don't know. I'm just saying that something must be done. Algo tiene que suceder, algo se tiene que hacer. ¿Qué? I don't know, but I know that it's something, okay? So that's right, I read it here, something. And then here for number 2, 3, and 4, you have more options. And you have here the explanation for each word, okay? This is a review about grammar because I know and I'm sure that you already know this. But in case you don't remember, there's no problem because you can read it again. Okay? Then we have 57. Is writing. As this is writing, guys, be careful with your handwriting. Okay? Be careful with grammar and be careful with the spelling. But what you have to write is, it says here that we need to write about genetically modified food. So we are going to pretend that we are in favor of genetically modified food and we want to convince other people to think the same way as we are thinking. Okay? So think about this. What can I write or what can I say to other people to convince them to think the same way as I think? That's what I want you to do, okay? So please be careful with the words you use and with the structures you need in grammar. At the end of your writing, what I need you to do is to read what you wrote again and listen to yourself and ask yourself, how does it sound? Does it sound good? If not, please give a double check. And then, I have for spelling, the page 64 is this one. Here you just have to rewrite the sentences you have for the lesson 25. These sentences, just write them here. And the last dictation. Guys, I need you listen to the words in the link I sent. Do not write the words without listening to your teacher. Okay, you have to listen to your teacher, please. Okay, so this is the last page in our hardware book. So any doubt, please contact me, and there's no problem. Okay.